Hi, everyone. My name is Rachel, and I'm a customer success manager in onboarding at Sprout Social, pronouns she, her. I'm excited today to talk about some great reports that you can send out to stakeholders outside of Sprout to show your good ROI and make sure that the stakeholders are making a good value for their investment in the Sprout tool. When you're in any report in Sprout, you always have the option to filter what's on your screen and share out that option. So if I were to click on any report, I could change the date range. I could also change the source, post type, and such. And when I click on share, depending on your plan, you're able to either download that PDF, toss it in an email, or you can toss in your email addresses right from here if you have that option. Or if you are on the advanced plan, you actually are able to schedule out and set it and forget it for each week, certain reports to go out with the email address listed. Some amazing reports that I think are probably most beneficial for demonstrating ROI are the post-performance report. This one under Cost Network is a great one to show if you have a website that has a lot of products, you want to make sure that you are showing that your socials are driving traffic to that website. So this gives you the option to come in here and filter actually by so many different things. One of them being by post link clicks. That way you can see within a certain date range that you filtered how many people actually clicked into your website from socials. Another great report that you can send out to stakeholders is the paid performance report. If you're investing in paid ads or boosting posts, the investors want to make sure that this is a valuable investment. So this report can break down how much you're spending and how many impressions, engagements, and clicks are coming out of that. You are able to have some great charts here and then get a paid channel breakdown to show the total spend on each network, impressions, engagements, clicks, web conversions, and also which accounts have the lowest CPE and highest CPE. One more awesome option is the tag performance report. This one, if you start utilizing the tag option, can be a great way to get individualized answers to questions that you want to share. So if you have a certain campaign going on, let's say for back to school, you can create a campaign or tag label on all the content related to that campaign. Then you can come into the tag performance reports, filter by that campaign or tag. And then you'd be able to make a whole report just based on that specific tag, which you can then share out and let investors know how your socials are doing related to that back to school campaign. These are all great ways to make sure that investors are getting the great value that comes with the Sprout tool. Thank you so much for joining in. Bye.